Right. Good morning, fourth grade. I just want to tell you how excited I am. Over the weekend, I had a friend from Costa Rica call, and she had gone to California, and she was like, "Surprise, I'm coming to Texas." And so she got to come spend 2 whole days with me. And so I took off work yesterday and I took her shopping, and we went to the Land of Lights in Athens, and she got to see how cool that was because they don't have that in her country. And I will tell you, Miss Wangler does not speak good Spanish, but when my friends are around, I have to really polish it up. So I've been doing a lot of Spanish speaking over the last couple days, but mostly it was good to be with a friend and catch up and cook and shop and just hang out. We are just a few days from the Thanksgiving break, and I know that you're so excited and ready to spend time with family, but we still have a few more things to do, so we're going to keep working hard. The book we're going to read today and tomorrow is called A Dance Like Starlight. And I want to give you a little bit of the setting so that it'll help you understand the story better. So the story is set during the 1950s in Harlem. And we know that during the 50s was a time of segregation where black people and white people could not be in the same places, could not use the same things. And so this little girl, she wants to become a dancer, and she's inspired by someone in the book. And so we're going to find out about her. Stars hardly shine in the New York City sky, with the factories spilling out pillars of smoke and streetlights spreading bright halos around their pin-top faces. It's hard to find a star. Even harder to make a wish. The one wish that if I could just breathe it out loud to the first star of night, it might be able to believe it's true. So you're going to notice this is kind of written in a little bit of a poetry sense, and it uses a lot of figurative language. Like right here, it says the smoke is spilling out. Well, we know that smoke doesn't literally spill out, but the smoke does roar out of the pipes. That means it's like coming up out of the pipes. And we know that she wants something really, really bad. Every evening, I search the sky while Mama uppins the extra wash she's taken on to make ends meet. From our rooftop, I gaze at the city skyline and whisper my wish, even though there are no stars to be found. Not a single one, night after night after night. So her mom does like people's extra laundry so that she can make extra money because it was really hard to get money back then. Mama says wishing on stars is a waste anyhow. Says you don't need stars in the sky to make your dreams come true. Hope can pick your dream up, she says, off the floor of your heart. When you think it can't happen, no how, no way. Though unlike wishing, Mama says, hoping is hard work. If there's one thing Mama knows, it's hard work. Mama works all day long every day, and most times on into the night for the ballet school. She's been cleaning and stitching costumes there since I was a baby. Through the years, we've spent so much time around ballet for fittings and rehearsals and mending that before I even knew it, a dream got inside my heart. I didn't have to tell Mama for her to take notice. She saw my dreaming when I tiptoed to her sewing corner to slip on those beautiful costumes. She saw it when I twirled in front of her faded mirror, repeating every move I had seen at the rehearsals. The ballet master saw it too, when I stood backstage during a recital and did an entire dance in the wings from beginning to final bow. What do you think's about to happen? I turned away when I saw him watching, ashamed of how he saw me trying to do their dance. But he took my face in his hands and looked into my eyes. Brava, ma petite, he told me. Brava. That's when hope picked my dream up from the floor of my heart, just like Mama said, and it started growing. So brava and bravo means like well done, child, like good job. So when it has a brava, that means you're talking to a girl. And when it has bravo, that means you're talking to a boy. And so we're going to stop right there. And tomorrow we're going to see how Hope has started filling her heart and how that has gone a little bit different than wishing. So we know that her big wish, her big hope, and I think is to be a ballet star, to dance across the stage. Let me make sure I didn't miss anything else. Okay, so as we read tomorrow, I want you taking note of and listening for like the message of the story. Like, what could we learn from this character? I think we've already learned a little bit about how to wish for something, or maybe even how Mama has she talked about Mama doing hard work. And so kind of keep those things in mind as we finish the story and see if we can figure out the author's message in this story.